Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a bookmark to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the document, go to the top of the screen and tap on Insert, which is the third button. After that, you should tap on this link button and tap on bookmarks, which is the last button in this section, and click on new bookmark, and then a bookmark icon will appear at the relevant page to which you have added this bookmark. If you want to, you can also check out all of the bookmarks that will appear on the navigation section that can be found on the left side of the screen, and you can search for the bookmarks by tapping on the search for box and just simply type in the name of that section that you are looking for. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.